Happy Easter, YouTube. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with family, fun, and a bunch of these. The IT industry has a history of stealing words and turning them into computer terms that have nothing to do with the original word. Things like mouse. Well, they've done it with Easter egg as well. In computing terms, an Easter egg is a piece of software hidden inside another piece of software. The first of these was the 1979 Atari 2600 computer game Adventure, where the tiny little grey dot could be found, and if it was taken to the right room, that popped up Warren Robinette, the name of the author and designer of the game. This was coded into the game without Atari's knowledge, and in fact was unknown to the general public until a teenager found it and wrote a letter to Atari telling them about it. At that point, it was then far too costly to change it, so they said, oh well, it's in there as an Easter egg, and has been in most games from Atari ever since. There have also been Easter eggs in all of the copies of Windows up to XP and various parts of Office, including Microsoft Excel, where there was a special sequence that you had to do by putting a particular code into a specific cell, and it popped open a playable version of a Doom-like game with the credits and all of the authors of the game scrolling up and down the walls. An Easter egg was also used as the basis of Robert Cline's 2011 story Ready Player One, which was made into a movie just a few years ago. I thoroughly recommend the book, and the movie's pretty good too. I just wanted to add that little bit of trivia into your Easter Sunday. As usual, you can subscribe here and watch some other videos up here and down there. Have a great day. Thank you.